on this F350 we had a problem that it didn't want to start. And then we just found out that the computer it was bad, so we just replaced the computer. It had low voltage on all the injectors, so we just check and found out that the injector's computer was bad. So we just replaced the computer, and the truck is ready to go. And we had another problem. The injector number 8, it was disconnected from the injector, so we just connected a injector back, the last one, number 8, back of the computer. So we got it running. And I think that's it for this one. We're gonna change the oil, change the oil, and do a flushing on the radiator. And get a new coolant so we can get an oil change. Probably we're gonna do on this one too. We'll be back on this one. Hope you like these videos. Thumbs up. Here we're gonna start it. We're gonna see that oil pressure. It's taking too long to start. Got it back running. It's running good. It's off. Now we want to turn it on. And let it cycle. Okay, we're going to the next step.